We upload our photo to the Hippist interface. This is a close-up earring photo, and the model's face is not visible. We use the Magic Expand option to complete the face and expand the image. In the Magic Expand interface, clicking on the photo reveals resize handles. These handles appear at the four corners and edges. Click and hold one of the corner handles to resize the photo. Moving the mouse back and forth adjusts the image size. Click and hold on the photo to move it anywhere on the screen. Click on the top center handle and move your mouse to rotate the image at different angles. We test different placements to demonstrate how to position the image. We'll examine the results by resizing and repositioning the image in 6 different ways. First, we position the photo toward the bottom left corner and generate the output. The model's face appears, but this is just a draft. This draft helps refine the image further in the keep editing step. In the second attempt, we place the image in the center. The face is not fully visible, but we now see more of the model's features, including part of the nose, mouth, and one eye. In the third placement, to ensure the AI model's face is fully visible, we slightly reduce the image size and position it to the left. This creates enough space for the face to generate correctly. In this example, we adjust the angle of the photo to test a new position. Changing the direction of the image directly affects the output. When setting the angle, it should align with the positioning of the product. In the fifth example, we shrink the image even more, and a model holding a camera appears. This happens because we left the prompt box empty, allowing the AI to interpret the image randomly. In the final example, we significantly reduce the image size and place it in the upper middle. The result is a waist-up model. However, shrinking the image too much can reduce facial detail quality. We don't recommend shrinking the image too much. The examples we've shown are not final outputs, they are drafts. Don't forget to refine your drafts into final versions using Keep Editing. Now, let's take a look at the final versions of our examples. As you can see, with just one product photo, you can turn it into many different looks using AI models. Since they're not real people, you're free to use them on your website, social media, or any platform. No limits, no rights issues.